Maybe it's because I'm a sort of, Brit with European tendencies, but I don't fear regulation in the way that sort of everyone seems to by default think that regulation is evil here. I think there is no technology in history that hasn't been successfully regulated. All of our, just look at a car. I mean, we've been regulating cars since the 20s, and that has consistently, steadily made cars better. And it's not just the car itself. It's the street lights, it's the traffic lights, it's the zebra crossings, it's the culture of safety around developing a car, driving a car, being, so this is just a healthy dialogue that we just need to encourage and stop framing as a kind of black and white. It's either evil regulation or it's cynically minded to drive regulatory capture. I think it's a great thing that technologists and entrepreneurs and CEOs of companies like myself and Sam, who I love dearly and think is awesome, he is not cynical, he is sincere, he believes it genuinely, so do the rest of them. And I think that's just great. We should embrace that. And of course, there will be downsides to it, right? So I'm not denying that, poor regulation can slow us down, make us less competitive, create challenges with our international adversaries, and it certainly shouldn't slow down the open source community or the startups.
Let me ask you a more complicated question. Microsoft has a deep, deep relationship with OpenAI. That is how Microsoft, at least for right now, is pursuing its AI ambitions. I know there's lots of other efforts underneath it, and we're going to talk about those in a minute. But you referenced Sam Altman, who's going to be here and speaking tomorrow.